So good day. My name is Amante J. San Pedro, and here is Cloud and Ashley Nicole. The both of us, or the three of us, are from St. Paul University, Philippines. And it's sad to say we are presenting three members, but they need to attend responsibilities for today. So on behalf of my team, allow me to present our project. So of course, our project is Banana Vinegar X Pro Shield. So it's a groundbreaking fusion of sustainable food innovation and smart packaging technology. So our project is all about food fermentation, about a traditional fermentation and a new technology food fermentation. So of course, our commitment for our project, our vision, to be the leading eco-friendly banana vinegar brand that transforms surplus banana into a healthy, sustainable product enjoyed worldwide. And of course, our mission to create high-quality banana vinegar protected by ProViShield technology supporting farmers, ensuring product safety and promoting a healthier planet. So of course, we have problem that we want to solve in our food fermentation project. So first project was all about overripe bananas are often discarded, causing food waste and economic loss for farmers. So it is affecting the economic of our country, the livelihood of also the farmers. And the second one is poor fermentation techniques lead to contamination, spoilage, and imbalance in acidity. So that is also the problem that we want to solve in food fermentation. And the last is small scale producer lack tool and training to scale production and maintain consistency. And of course, if we have a problem, we have intended solution for that one. So Provide Shield or our solution combines banana vinegar production with Provide Shield packaging, an innovative system that actively protect and preserve the product. Provide Shield keep the vinegar probiotic alive, ensure consistent quality and extend shelf life. True oxygen, scavenging, smart freshness indicator, antimicrobial film, and QR code traceability, turning surplus banana into a safe, high-value vinegar for consumer and farmers alike. Our goal was an active, intelligent packaging system that protects banana vinegar during fermentation and storage. Our key concept for our solution is packaging that not only contain the vinegar, but actively preserve probiotic and quality. So as you can see in my PowerPoint, we included our 3D design for our possible product. Or as you can see at the top, we have the active gas scavenging. So same with the second, active gas scavenging, which is help to reduce contamination of the banana vinegar, and also the pH sensitive freshness indicator or QR code. Moving to the next. We have the key feature, of course, of our project. The first key feature is active oxygen scavenging. Food safe sachet or polymers absorb residual oxygen to prevent production degradation. Second, smart freshness indicator, which with pH sensitive or time temperature labels change color if freshness in is compromised. Third one is the antimicrobial film technology, inner layer infused with natural antimicrobial, for example, essential oils, to block the contamination. So it really helpful, to have just like essential oil for to block this the contamination and to prevent it. And fourth one is data-driven traceability or QR code. Linked to a digital birth certificate showing fermentation log, nutritional info, and recommended users. For the products, for the usually product that we've seen in the market, the information of the product are at the back of the product. But for us, so that's why we come up to the idea of QR code for us to scan, only to scan the QR code for us to show or to know the information of whole product and what is the use of the product, what is the ml of that can be used in, in the food fermentation product. And next is, okay, we have competitive analysis. So as you can see, it has a 4 columns. So the first column is aspect, which is shelf life, quality consistency, consumer transparency, health, and of course, health appeal. And for the second column, we have traditional vinegar. So it come up with standard, high industrial, limited, and standard acid. And of course, for the third one, we have typical banana vinegar, shorter due to poor packaging, variable, limited, and of course, natural acid. So the banana vinegar will produce a natural acid that will help to ferment our product. And then the last column, we have the banana vinegar with Pro BioShield. So first, we have extended by oxygen scavenging and antimicrobial film. The second one is high thanks to smart freshness indicators. And third, we have full traceability with QR code. And the last with added probiotic protection. And our edge for our competitive analysis is combine sustainable sourcing surplus banana with advanced consumer-friendly packaging technology. So of course, our product is aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. We just put a 3 SDG for us that it's really connected to our product. The first SDG is SDG2, Zero Hunger. It reduces food waste by converting surplus banana into a value-added products. And the SDG3, good health and well-being, because Pro BioShield is care for our health, so it provides a natural probiotic rich alternative to synthetic vinegar. And the last SDG is, of course, SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, opens new livelihood opportunities for farmers and small-scale entrepreneurs. So it will not help our economic here in the Philippines, but it will help also the daily living of entrepreneurs in the Philippines, and it will add another possible income for them. And our goal was to promote this at the Philippines. So next. Okay, here we come. Taste the future of freshness. Say hello to Banana Vinegar X Pro BioShield, the smart vinegar that thinks for your health, powered by active gas scavenging to lock in natural freshness, equipped with Philippines sensitive indicators so you can see when it's perfectly pure. From farm to bottle, it's freshness you can see, trust, and taste. Banana Vinegar X Pro BioShield, smart, fresh, natural, bet. So now, here comes the one of the exciting, part of our PowerPoint, which is the visual paper. So it contains about the project. So all about the Pro BioShield project. So the first is, if you're wondering what is the Pro BioShield, so a natural fermented product made from bananas. Second, a potential natural preservative with antimicrobial properties. And if you are wondering why it matters and why our group choose to produce a project like this, well, this is our answer. because it promotes food safety and shelf life. Second, it could reduce the reliance on synthetic preservatives. And of course, always are we are wondering, or the people are at our school always questioning us how it works, how you can combine, or what is the priority, or how can you combine ProBioShield in a fermented banana vinegar. So our answer is banana vinegar is combined with ProBioShield, which is a new technology that our team produced. And of course, the result and benefits of our project. It first improve the preservation of the food. It's not just only the banana, but also the food, you can that can be fermented. And second is 60%, we go to the research a lot of research for us to know about this. So come up with the idea of 60% reduction in microbial growth. So of course, banana vinegar and ProBioShield show promise as an effective natural alternative to synthetic preservatives. So it really helpful, the ProBioShield, that we cannot use chemicals. We just need the natural acid of our product to be fermented in that bottle. And guess what? This bottle is not just a bottle, it can be reusable bottle for us to not help our economic, but also to help our society, our mother earth. Because our number one goal was to be a eco living friendly project for the Philippines. And if the government will approve our paper, and hopefully by the next year we can showcase it to the market and around the world. And hopefully that the government here in the Philippines will fund our project, and hope that the next global innovation will we are now complete and presenting our project. And we are now giving you also the example. And for you, dear panelists, we want you to ensure that our project will be a responsible project for us and for you, all of you. And of course, so we will come up with our closing statement. So that's we'll end our presentation. So our closing statement: the banana vinegar with ProBioShield is more than just a product. It is a sustainable innovation that turns banana surplus into high quality probiotic rich vinegar while protecting both the product and the producer's livelihood. So we are care about the ecosystem and also the life of our fellow Filipino here, that so also to increase their income by our product. So I hope you really enjoyed our presentation and also learn what is the banana vinegar with X-Pro BioShield. So thank you so much. Hope to see you in person, of all of you. Thank you. God bless us all.
Well, thank you. I really love your passion in the presentation, and I do look forward to to have the chance to drink your banana vinegar in next global innovation field trip.
Yes.
That's perfect.
And I
And
hope so.
Kushai, do you have some questions or something for the
Yeah, I
presentation?
have one question. Did you face any challenges while working on it?
What? Can you repeat the question?
Did you face any challenges while working on your project?
Yes, of course, our group faced a lot of challenges, especially we come up with the idea of how it possible will work. Is it possible to be work? And so that's why we come up to the research. A lot of time spending our time, in creating this product, and also to the point that we need a guidance from our research advisors and also innovators from our countries, and also from the young innovators from our school to guide us in creating this project. And there's a lot of challenges, but we know that we can overcome the challenges as long as being united and open-minded in all the circumstances that is coming along the way. And and everything is we offer it everything to God to solve that problem that we're facing. And look, we solved a lot of problem by the grace of God and also the guidance of our advisors and mentors and also my teammates. This will not be possible without them. And of course, the young innovators from the Philippines, and from the St. Paul University, Philippines. That's all.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you once again for sharing your innovation with us.
Welcome so much. I'm pleased to meet you all.
Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing this. And we really enjoy your presentation.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yeah, and now our next presenter is already here.
Thank you
Let
so
me
much. May I leave permission to leave? I'm really happy to meet you guys. I'm really thankful for your comments and positive comments about our presentation, and I hope for the next global innovation field trip we can see personal. Yeah. Thank you so much. On behalf of the AAA team, we're extending our gratitude for you guys for enjoying our presentation. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Bye.